Well, thankfully, not all traffic accidents end with fatality. Sometimes it is a minor fender bender. And even though you know to call your insurance company in those cases, when should you call an attorney? Well, our legal consultant, Jeff Hosford, is joining us in the studio to talk a little bit more about that. Great to have you back in the studio, Jeff.
Glad to be back.
So you're in a car accident, you know to call your insurance company, you know to pull out your insurance card, but at what point do I need to call an attorney?
Well, obviously that's dependent upon the facts and circumstances, and if you've been talking to the insurance company and you feel like they're not helping you, they're not telling you the information you want to know, that is always a good time to start with an attorney. If the accident is obviously your fault, then you may want to consult an attorney at that time to determine what you should and should not say to anyone involving the accident. If it's not your fault, you may want to do the same thing again. It just depends on the circumstances and what exactly is going on with the people that you're interacting with. Obviously, you always need to remember anything that you tell someone, whether it be a simple thing like it was my fault and just a off-comment statement, could be used later in a court case to say that you admitted fault. And that's the one thing that consulting an attorney could help with, because the insurance company, whether they're your insurance company or the insurance company of the person that hit you, isn't always there to help you. They're there to help themselves a lot of times.
All right, great advice. We always value what you have to tell us. We'll see you back here next week, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for having me.